Our session this morning is all about how we pivot our businesses to stay relevant during these tough times. As market opportunities become tougher to access and budget spend starts to shrink. I know this one rings bells. It is more important that more than ever to ensure our brands, our products, and our services are top of mind with our customers. Please welcome Mr. John Chabalala. He is the Managing Executive, Cape Region, Absa Retail and Business Banking.
This is an opportunity for women entrepreneurs to think practically about how to leverage their strengths and unique product and service offerings. The reality is that the experts are telling us that COVID is going to be with us for quite a while. I think one of the key things for women entrepreneurs is to also continue thinking about how do you live within the COVID if it's going to be with us for the 18 and 24 months. We are committed to support the sustainability of entrepreneurs and create marketplace opportunities to join you on your journey as you build and grow your successful business.
She is the owner of Fabulous Flowers and Finery, a Cape Town-based florist, and has been in the floristry trade for 37 years. Please welcome Josie van Asvegen.
We were doing very well. Last year we celebrated 20 years of trading in Cape Town. We had big weddings and functions planned. We had been in our dream space for about a year. Our flower arranging classes were beginning to take off, and our future looked very rosy. With no huge cash reserves, a huge amount of money owed to me from functions done and being told that the amounts were not going to be paid, I must be honest, I was terrified. I was very concerned about my staff and their salaries, their well-being, as well as their health. I applied for a license to sell fruit and vegetables, and once that was approved, I went to the police station, I got a permit to deliver. We made a makeshift studio at home. I took some photos in the garden. We sent out a newsletter to all our existing clients here and overseas, and soon we started receiving orders. Although the profit margins were not large, it kept people aware of Fabulous Flowers, and soon we were getting all sorts of other requests. We delivered to the aged who could not leave their homes. We were asked to collect medication for people. We just did it, and we offered an excellent service. We added a lot of gift packs with nuts and dried fruit and smoothie mixes for home delivery. We added family gift packs and simply forged ahead. We kept our spirits up, we retained the loyalty of our customers, and we simply continued like this until we were allowed to sell flowers again online. My vision for the future of this business is to expand it to other cities, using a very refined model, but still upholding the creativity and passion that has sustained us.
The Joinery is a company dedicated to organic and ethically mindful fashion. So ladies, let's welcome Kim and Natalie.
And our focus is actually on finding solutions to environmental and community issues through design. Businesses out there and clients and corporates realized that they needed to turn their eye to sustainability within business. And we started to gain huge momentum. And all of this was highlighted by our drive, to empower people, to empower our artisans, our planet, and we did it together. Then when the South African lockdown was announced, I think it was in 2 weeks that suddenly this negative effect hit us and we snowballed. The blow was immense. The tourism and hospitality industry was the worst hit. Our clients were the worst hit. And of course that meant that we were on the receiving end of bad news.
We kind of came together as a team and we had to really concentrate on being post-lockdown ready, which was most important. And that meant coming up with, first of all, streamlining our internal business practices, and second of all, coming up with concepts that would move us forward into the new normal. We are focusing on corporate gift giving as opposed to corporate gifting. We're inviting corporate clients, including Absa, to join us and pledge their corporate gifting for 2020 to be our corporate giving concept, which is a recycled plastic bottle pouch, which includes a printout of a charity voucher of your choice, which goes inside, as opposed to giving a product which is a throwaway culture for corporate gifting. Give a product that makes a difference to our fellow South Africans during these times.
She is Ayanda Mfosi, Area Manager, Absa Retail Banking, Cape Region.
As Absa, we are committed to assisting you during these times and to navigate these uncharted waters. as you go on and serve your customers during this time. And I implore you that information is power. Do not be shy to ask the questions, to seek objective advice in order to be able to keep your businesses sustainable during this time.